I should say my name's John. Hi, I'm John. So Jolene's gonna join me. We're gonna go for a drive out to her old hometown. We're gonna get some stuff out of the way. We gotta do some grocery shopping, that kind of thing. But ultimately, goal is to have a picnic, do some fishing, grab a bite to eat at Stewart's, and then see a movie at the drive-in theater out that way. And then after the movie, we're gonna make our way to a campsite where we're gonna sleep in the back of the hatchback here. So it's gonna be the first night sleeping in the hatchback in the summer. This will be the first attempt at doing this, so it's probably going to be warmer than we're used to. We've been out here in freezing temperatures, but never in 80, 70, 60 degrees even. So I'm expecting to be a little uncomfortable with how warm it is tonight, but I'm just thinking it's going to be a windows down kind of thing, and we'll just get through the night in our jammies and limited bedding.
So I'm actually happy that we ended up going on this trip because I didn't know it at the time, but this would be the last trip that we were able to take in my Honda Civic. But it was just nice to make some lasting memories one last time in this car, and it turned out to be a good trip. So tag along, hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay, car's parked in the shade, so we're gonna go ahead and sit down, have a little snack, a little lunch before we go fishing, before we really settle in and get to what we're gonna do. So we'll just keep you guys posted as we sort ourselves out, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're gonna try to go out to Jaggers Point. We're at the camping area, but we just gotta go straight down all the way to the lake. That's where we're gonna be fishing for now. I might be able to make this work, we'll see. I gotta get through here first though. Ugh. All right, so we had no luck fishing near our site. There's a couple other spots near the campground that we're gonna try, but for now, Jolene wanted to go to Crystal Lake, which is...
So it's like a circular trail around a pond, like a lake, and it's blue water, so I guess that's why they call it Crystal Lake.
It's like crystal clear water.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try some fishing out there. We're gonna take a walk around the camp, or around the trail, I guess.
Yeah.
And then we'll probably make our way back here at some point.
And you can see it kind of like right there. There's like steps. That's where it starts. And then there's the dock right there. It looks like there's something going on today because there's like a tent of people. People have like parties and stuff out here, barbecues. There's already people on the dock.
A couple of kids out on the dock yet.
It's the parking lot, then we can go through the trail.
It's like a family reunion.
Yeah, they're having a party.
Need to find a... Oh, like that guy's got a good spot right there in the shade. I feel like I'm gonna have to take my socks and shoes off to fish down here. It's happening. No, feels good. No way. That's so funny. That's so funny. Just snagged on my sock on the way, on the the back cast. Oh, it's gonna be stuck in the barb. That sucks. Finally. Now what happened to my worm? Alrighty. Then off we go to the next stop. And we're gonna be stuck here forever.
Slow down. You're gonna scare them. Oh no. Oh no. Stop the car.
Move along, little
Stop the
doggy.
car. Oh, look at the baby. Look at the baby. Oh, there's
Couple
three.
babies.
They're triplets.
I brought these just in case.
You want more?
Do you want a lactate? No, I'm good.
I like that. I want to be able to poop.
I'll still be able to poop.
No, that prevents you from
Oh, doesn't.
never pooping out of your entire life.
Alright, so we got a burger. We got some fries. Joleen also ordered some fries.
And a doggy.
Alright,
Whatever
there's
it's supposed to be.
hot dogs or legs. They
No,
put,
they're not. They're a combination of shit.
and a root beer float.
Right, I know. Take care, guys.
Cheers. Nice and messy, how I like it.
A cow. Multiple cows. I'm working on it.
Yeah, really good.
You guys need
Really good.
anything? No, I think
You
we're
good?
good.
Good,
Cool,
thanks.
thank you.
I don't know. Maybe rather than fish, and we'll just go back to the campsite and take a nap. I'm gonna feel so lethargic after this hits me.
How did you get some coffee?
Oh,
You keep outlawing my drink.
not that much. That hit the spot. That was really good. Good idea.
Yeah.
4:30. Movie starts at 8:55, so we got like 4 hours to kill almost.
I said we get coffee. Take a 1 hour nap.
I'm down.
Fish for an hour.
Okay.
Oh man, my tummy's full.
Yeah, mine too. All right, that should get going pretty good.
I'll start.
All right, it's 7:15. Joleen and I are making our way out of the park right now. We're going to go over this boat ramp so I can fish a little bit before we go to the movies.
Oh.
I will say one thing though. This view is pretty great. The water's like glass right now, and then you've got the sunset and the clouds in the background. So I'm okay with spending a little extra time here, but we do have to wrap up so we can make our way to the movies. So I'm gonna make 1 or 2 more casts, but beyond that, I think we're gonna wrap it up here tonight.
She said screen one, I thought. Oh my god. Oh my god.
how we're doing here. We got some. Oh yeah, we got some real hot water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Every time you turn that on, my brain is like, it's gonna explode.
It does. I mean, it's literally like a jet boil. No.
What are the chances?
1 2/3 cups. We're just gonna
I
guess.
thought you said 1 2/3 chance of it exploding. Dude, that's...
You want to stir that up and let me know if you need any more water? I'm doing beef lasagna.
You want the fork or the spoon?
I have my own silverware. That looks good even like that. There are little tomato chunks. We'll start with that. Mine's a little watery. I should have said when. Oh well, maybe it'll stiffen up a little bit. Oh man, I don't even want to wait. This looks so good.
You're gonna burn your mouth. This is the hottest thing I've ever seen in my whole life.
Oh, that's bomb. All right, I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm using the leftover water here. Okay, say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night. I'm gonna jump in and get ready for bed.
Bed bugs bite. Literally. Yo, it's only been a minute since I've gotten up. And he's like, where's the camera? And then he just starts ripping farts.
If you guys made it throughout the whole video, thank you so much for sticking around. I'm really looking forward to the upcoming videos. I hope to see you there.